All right, let me quickly show you how you can create this highlight text in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to take a screenshot of the text that you want to highlight. This highlighting of text is just to emphasize on a particular line in your screenshot. Okay, let's say I search for about crypto tax. Yeah, crypto tax. Okay, let's say you have this page already and you want to highlight this text in your video editing software. So it's very simple. All you just need to do is to take a screenshot. You take a screenshot, you press new, you take a screenshot of the page. This is good. Then you save the image. All right, so once you save the image, you now come back to CapCut. You come back to CapCut. So I've cleared my timeline already. So you import the file, not this. You import the file. You take the file and you press enter. Then you bring it to your timeline. All right, so now we have it in our timeline. All right, so the next thing we need to do now is to add in a shape layer. So you go to canva.com. Once you're on Canva like this, on create, you click create, then you search for thumbnail. Then you click on this. So all our aim is just trying to like create a a blank space. So you come over here and you change it to yellow. So why am I using yellow? So yellow is one of the mostly used color that they use to highlight text because of the attention that yellow drags. Yeah, because of the attention that yellow gets to on your viewers. And they also use green too. So it depends on the choice and what you are trying to pass in your video. So for this particular tutorial, I'll be using yellow for it. All right, so I just a yellow BG. Then I'll click on share and download this. All right, once downloaded, you bring it to CapCut. You drop it on it like this. So the next thing we need to do now is to come to videos, adjust. Yeah, is it adjust? No. You come to video, then you click on mask. You add mask, then you select the split option. Yes, you select this option and then you rotate it. So I'm going to scale this down so that I can see what I'm doing, and I'll reduce the size. Yes, I'll reduce the size and adjust it up. You scale it down and adjust it up. So I'm going to put it here at this level. Yeah, so we're going to scale it again in this time. So if you notice, if I'm scaling it, it's affecting both the upside and the down part. So you're going to turn off uniform scale. So once you turn this off, you now have the opportunity to adjust the height separately and adjust the width separately. All right, so let's quickly adjust that. All right, so we now have it this way, and the next thing we need to do is to go to where we have the mask. All right, so we have the mask here, and we're just going to increase the position in the Y. So I'm going to increase the position of the Y to 1 to 500. Okay, let's say to 1000. Okay, to 5. Wow. So under basic, I'm going to increase the width too. Yeah, I think this is where the problem is coming from, the width. And then we place it on it like this. We increase it again. We place it on it like this. So basically, we want the highlight box to cover the whole text at the front. All right, so after I've done that, you come to the first frame of your editor. You come to the first frame, you go back to mask, you come to the first frame, and then it's time to animate the position. It's time to animate the position. So on this level, you can set a keyframe, and then we want this to be at 0, right? At 0. So you come to 15 frames ahead, and then you move it again to the front to where it covered the whole screen. All right, so if you notice now, our highlight box is covering the text that we want to see, right? Very simple. So you come to video, then you come to basic, and under basic you go to blend. Under basic you go to blend, and then you select this to darken. All right, so once you select darken, you should have something like this. Can you see this? You should have something like this. So let's check it out. So the next thing you need to do is to select all of this and create a compound clip. So with this we have the two together. So the next thing you need to do is to add in the scale to the left, so the scale and the position. Then we'll come to about 15 frame. We come to about 15 frame, and then you scale it up. So you go back again on the position, we can bring it down to this level. So right, so to make that interesting, you can add in the show variation speed and animation. All right, so you have for the scale, you can select this, you can select preset curve. Let's see what we have under preset curve. You can use this ease. So you should have something like this. All right, so we need to do the same thing too for the position property. Yeah, so for the position property too, you select ease, and now we have a smooth animation. So this is, I think it's still kind of wet. So let me see what we have this way. So this is where the issue is coming from. We need to work on this too, and ease. So that's how you go about your time speed too in CapCut, because this value graph will also determine how smooth your animation is. So if you learn one or two in this tutorial, kindly like and follow me for more tips like this. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.